it's me, Gianna, and I'm here with
Ariana.
And today we're gonna be making some slime. I'm going to be. What type of slime are you gonna be making?
I'm gonna be making white glue, red glue, and pink glue, and she's gonna be using
The American flag.
Show me.
Yeah, and he's playing with his Nintendo
Wait, no, I need to tell you.
Okay, so we're making slime here. So what do we need to make slime?
So we need glue,
Any type of glue.
2 glues, contact solution, a spoon, a bowl, and baking soda in a bag. I have yellow, and she has a green bag.
So I can't wait to do it. And I got a giant thing.
So first you're gonna pour in your white one.
Okay, so you started first, and then you recorded. Yeah. So do we pour all of it?
Yeah, pour all the
Yes,
glue.
all the glue. Yes. I'll probably edit this part out. I'm not sure.
So after you're done.
Okay, my turn.
So
No, don't face my face, please.
So now she's gonna do it, and it's gonna be really easy because I know how to make it. So pour in all the things.
So all of it. So try to do it as fast as you can.
There you go. That's all her glue, and this is all the stuff we're gonna be using. I try not to keep my fingers close. Is that all done?
Yeah, I think that's pretty much. So now what else do we need,
Now we're
Ariana?
gonna take the glue, use some of it, I'm gonna use some of it.
I'm gonna use the red one. And what do? We dump it all in there.
No, not dump all of it, because we're
sharing.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys want to see guys?
No. So this is so cool.
Here you go. Almost done. Not too much.
Okay. Wait.
Just a little bit more.
Okay, now we really need the blue. Come on.
Don't use all the blue.
I am.
Because no, because what if we make slime tomorrow? Okay, that's it. Gianna, that's it.
Wait.
I'm gonna bring.
Oh, that's so cool. Come on.
Okay, Gianna, that's it. Now put the top back on.
Oh, wait, the top is. So, look at that. You don't have to use glitter glue, okay? You can use any type of glue.
So now you're gonna grab the baking soda. Well, first, you're gonna grab the baking soda, and you're gonna open this part.
This is hers, and this is mine. Wait, I thought you were gonna use the pink. Come on, use the pink.
Oh yeah, I know. You just add some of the pink. We're gonna use all the pink.
Okay, I don't really need the pink, but it's fine.
This might take for a little bit. So now you put in your borax.
Okay, can you hold the camera? Try to hold the camera.
So here's mine right now.
How do I open it? Do I take
No, like that, and then you pour it. And then you just pour
all of it?
No, not all of it, just like a little. Yeah, that much. That much.
Do I? Oh, that looks so cool. No, don't close it down. Oh, that looks so cool. Do I mix it now?
Yeah, now you mix it with the spoon.
Oh, it feels like slime already.
It's not slime yet.
Ariana's a boss at making slime.
Aw, that's so cute. Yeah, that's so cute. OMG.
So now
I don't want to mix it too hard because then it looks like pink.
Riding down on my surfboard.
I'm gonna add a little bit more red and blue.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna add a little more. Oh shoot! Oh, don't move. A little more blue because blue is one of my favorite colors. Mine is purple, but we didn't bring purple. So.
Bro, I like the way you bring that back.
I'll do it.
Mama know you dance like that.
It's not slime yet, but still.
Girl, I like the way you bring
This is gonna get very messy. So if you don't want to be messy, then don't do this because of course you're gonna get messy.
Yeah, I made slime with my sister before.
Of course.
Now mix.
You did.
Mix. Now
Yeah,
mix.
mix.
Not too hard. But like mix.
Oh, dearie, dear, I'm gonna get you, dear.
Oh yeah, I
use this pretty color.
Oh, that's so cute. Mine's is kind of like bluish.
Now you're gonna add your contact solution.
Wait, I need to get this.
Then it'll really turn out the slime. Add that, and now you add some
Oh my god, be careful.
I know it splashes because there's like that's enough, and then we're gonna make one more slime, and then we're done.
OMG, it turned into slime. Oh, what the frick?
See?
Look, oh, guys, OMG, this is super simple and super easy. So if you follow these steps, you will probably make the best slime ever in the world.
And then when it's like not, if it's still sticky, you might want to add a little bit more contact to it.
Yeah, if it's okay, I'm gonna touch it.
Is it kind of sticky?
Yeah, that's
So-
spraying everywhere. Don't use too much of it.
So yeah, so we're gonna put it in the bag, but let's just end it, okay? Yeah, let's just
Yeah.
end it. So hope you guys enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you do these tips because these tips are super easy.